Hello friends, so welcome to this video. In this video we'll be learning about smart money and how to invest with smart money. Okay, before getting to know what smart money is, let's understand type of investors that are there in stock market. So we have FII, DIIs, HNI, then retail investors. So retail investors are like people like you and me who deal with like single stock or two stock or maximum 10 100 stocks in a day. And there are other people who deal with large numbers. So if there is a person individual who buys like thousand lakhs of shares per day, those people are called as high net worth individuals. In our country, we have like Rakesh Chandanwala, Radhakrishan Damani. So these are high net worth individuals. Then there is DIS. DIS is domestic institutional investments. So what these companies do is like they have a completely dedicated team which research about stocks very deeply and then they invest in that so that they can make good profit in future term. So DIs are operating within the country. So DIs in India example is LIC, HDFC life insurance, mutual funds. They all pool money from others and then they invest in stock market. Before investing in stock market, they do complete research. Then we have FII. FII is foreign institutional investments. These are nothing but same to DII, but these are international companies. For example, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs. Even there, they have a dedicated team that research about stocks and then they invest. And once they are happy with the profits, they withdraw the money. So when these FIIs, DIs, or HNI deal or they buy or sell shares, they don't do it in thousands or hundreds or 10,000s. They do it in lakhs and crores. And before doing, as I said, they do a lot of research. That's why if you can invest money along with FIIs, DIs, or HNI, that means if they are buying some share, then you also try to see about that share, do research, and see what potential this share has in future long run, and then you can invest your money there. So that's why investments made by DIFI and HNI are called as smart money or smart investments. So I'll show you in this video exactly how to do this and how to follow and be interact with these institutions or high net worth individuals. So this sheet here, this is compiled sheet which I've done. So if you want to know where all FIIs and DIIs are transacting, just go to Google and do type block and bulk deals. So what is block and bulk deals? So when these companies, so client name, these are FIIs and DIIs. So when these companies, when they buy or sell shares, they do in lakhs, as I said before. So these deals are called as block and bulk deals. So you can go to Google and just type block and bulk deals, and then you can go to NSE website. There you can enter dates between which dates you want to find the all transactions that has happened, and then you can download the sheet. So here in this sheet I have past 5 years data, that is from 2015 to date, what all investments have been made by the companies like FIIs, DIIs or HNI in Indian stock market. It has date, then symbol for the stock. So security name is nothing but stock name Jindal Stainless Limited, and FI, this is DII, IDBI Bank. This is the company that has sold shares in Jindal Stainless Steel. So it sold 31 lakh shares at a price of 38.6. If an FI or DII sells a particular share, it shows that there is some restrained growth in that particular company and they want to withdraw from that company. As you can see here, this was sell, then this was buy, sell, sell, sell. So all these transactions happened in Jindal Stainless Steel. So this is Kotak Specials Fund bought 2 crore 17 lakh 15,000 shares. This tells us like how the transaction is being made by which FII or DII and in what quantity and at what price. Now let's move on further and let's see how we can further analyze. So let's insert a pivot table. Pivot table is one of the features of Excel which you can use to analyze very large data. So I'll show you how to use that exactly. So now we are using this pivot table to see in which stock, how many stocks were bought and how many were sold. So I want security name. This goes to rows. So here we have all stocks that were transacted. I want to know if it's a buy or sell call. So here we have buy or sell and then grand total. Then quantity traded goes to values. So here we have this pivot table which shows that in all cargo 15 lakh 90,000 shares were bought and 16 lakh shares were sold. So now let's analyze this table in depth. Now we can clearly see the pattern. If you want to know as a whole, like in past 5 years, if shares were bought or sold, what can you do? We can just insert difference here. So that is, we are subtracting buy minus sold. If it's negative, it means that more shares were sold by the security. That is the company like FIR or DII when it with regard to All Cargo Logistics Limited shares. Here you can see it's positive. So it shows that Jai Prakash Power Venture Limited, there's more buying than selling. So it's one of the potential stocks which you can look forward to investing in by doing after doing your own research. And see, there are some shares wherein like number of items sold is 0 and bought is very high. So this shows that many companies have bought it. FIR the DIS. So let's see how many bought in 21st. Okay, there is Swanaja Sundar who bought all these shares for 35.55 rupees. So I think this is a high net worth individual. So they bought few shares. And now let's get back to this sheet. As you know, there are in some stocks there is no selling activity at all and there is only buying activity. So we can sort this sheet. So this gives us all stocks that were only bought and not sold in past 5 years. So here you can see 21st Century, 5 Paisa Capital, Aeron Industries, so Adani Gas Limited. So as you can see, there are many companies which are small cap companies and which has a lot of growth potential. So FIIs and DIIs do complete research on that and they invest when the stock is still a penny stock, and as and when it grows they get very high return. So it's good if you can do an analysis on all these stocks and see if you can buy them and what amount to buy in, and please keep a track on FIIs DIIs daily. Like okay, today you will buy this Neogen Chemicals Limited for example, and for since FIIs have DIIs have invested a lot, you will buy it, and maybe after some bad news that you wouldn't have noticed, FII or DII will sell all of its holding in this, but you continue to hold and then you will undergo loss. And that's why you should always be up to date with stock market, and even smallest of the news can affect stocks in a very huge way. So please keep track of all FII DII transaction, that is block and bulk, is happening, which you can find on Google NSE website. Google block or bulk deals and then go to NSE website. There you can just download the sheet. This sheet I have compiled for past 5 years. So NSE website allows only to download for 1 year. So you can buy download for last one year and then you can compile the sheet. So this is one of the strategy wherein you can be a smart investor and try to invest along with FIIs and DIIs who do a lot of research in this particular field, and only then they invest. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos and tricks like this. Thank you.